An open letter to my ex. You're the one girl, but you got away. Sweets. We've been through a lot these past few months, and now it has finally ended. We've been through a roller coaster problems, and now it has finally ended. We've been through tough situations, trials, and everything that tries to destroy us, and now it has finally ended. It's been 7 years since I first met you, and from that day forward up to recent, my love has never changed for you. It has been always you. I know I had a lot of mistakes. I've been too bad, too cruel, too dumb, and too heartless for you. I've been ranting things over Facebook for the things that we cannot agree upon. I've been doing things that make you cry at night. I've been out with my friends without asking permissions from you because you might not let me join them if I ask. So I lied. I've been a very bad boyfriend to you. I am blaming myself that you left. I've been regretting all the wrongdoings that I did to you. I regret everything. Da Merisi. Since you left me, I changed. All I did was change all the negative doings and make those weaknesses as strengths. They say time will change us. They say that people will change us, but I said no. Pain changes us. Pain makes us grow. Pain makes us pure. Pain makes us the better person as we could ever be. I reached out to you. We've been together for weeks, but I did feel something strange. I knew you had another guy. I knew that you already had understanding with another man. I was hurt. It hurts like hell. I thought we were already okay. I thought we were already fine. I did everything to win you back. The things that you hate, everything, I avoided them. I loved you honestly, but for one mistake, you left again. One simple, nonsense, worthless mistake, you left again. I felt so worthless. I felt so fucked up. I felt nga low-key ra kayo ko. I felt like a rat in a cage full of tigers and snakes. Here we go again. Same routine since the first time you left me. Da merisi gyud di ay. And I'm trying to be okay now. I am pretending that I am okay. I will be okay soon. They say love is sweeter the second time around. I say yes. Sweet kaayo ko the second time around, pero siya. But that doesn't make me wanna hate her. Instead, I am using her as an inspiration today. Inspiration nga puhon og magtagbo man galing misdalan, makaingon siyag, dako kayo akong pinagbago. I know that day would come. Cagayan de Oro is too small and the world is too small for us. We have common friends, we have common interests and all, and I am looking forward for that day to come. Kay nibiya naman ka sweets, ayaw nagbalik pa. Ayaw nagbalik pa sweets. You know that no matter where you are, what you're doing, or who you're with, I will still truly, honestly, and completely love you. Kabalo ka ana sweets, but ayaw nagbalik pa kay masakitan raman na sad gihapon ko. Every time gabiya ka sweets, sakit kaayo sa akong part. Yes, you are always welcome sa akong life, but that is too unfair. I am loving you more than I could ever love myself, and every time you fall into a breaking point, kalit lang ka mawala. Kalit lang ka mang-block, o kalit lang ka gakawala. I know this is all my fault, but is that the price that I really deserve? Yes, but that's too much. Gitama nako akong mga sayop sa una, akong gipang straight akong wrongdoings nako sa una. Akong gibuhat ang tanan, maako lang ka, utro but wala. Why nahitabo? Sala na sad gihapon nako nganong nibiya ka. Sala na sad gihapon nako nganong naundang ta. Gisamukan kas ako kay sig panawag, sig chat, o sig text, and of course, mao na akong buhaton kay gimingaw kaayo ko sa imuha o gusto ko sa imong attention but gasaputon kas ako. Unsay dapat na akong buhaton di ay? Sige lang, kasabot man sad ko sa imuha. Sabton ta ka, bisag dili ka masabtan. Self-worth, self-appreciation, and self-love. Focus, progress and not perfection. Look back but don't come back. These are all realizations that I thought about. How to achieve them? Well then, let's just give a little time and little moments aron ma-achieve na sila. Things are very tough now for me. Kay bag-o pa, but I am fighting really hard and giving a good fight aron lang dili ka madumduman. Lisod kaayo kay since then, dili gyud ka mawala sa akong mind from morning till I went to sleep. But let's just accept the fact that everything is over. I'm in my new routine sa life. Wanderlust sa ako karon. Focus sa self and family ug sa career. Og if ever magtagbo man galing tas dalan B, just pretend nga we don't know each other. We haven't seen each other. For me, not to slide back and backtrack and come back to where I started kay dili na ako makontrol akong self mubalik ana og ma-fall na sad sa imo. This is too long but I hope it's worth the time nga inyong gigahin ani nga basahon. Baby, see you on 2023. If I am still alive ana nga orasa o panahona kay disgrasyahonon kay imong ex. Take good care of yourself, don't rush things. I know you are in a good and best situation now. I'm happy for you, sweets. I love you, I always do. Second chances are sweet if you both cooperate. Second chances are given to those who change, and second chances are given to those who deserve second chances. Why forever uy, mga matay ratang tanan. Visitor, Cagayan de Oro City. 0914-1994 featuring 090995.